Okay, fáilte go ceart trachas a seacht, and we're going to start with the question, what are you doing tonight? Do you remember how to say tonight? That's right, a nacht. So, put together the question, what are you doing tonight? Maihu, Kajeta tu a yanu a nacht. Well done. Kajeta tu a yanu a nacht. And the answer this time is going to be, I will stay in the house. So a couple of lessons ago we did Fanny me in Mhúrn, I will stay in Ireland. So this time we're looking for I will stay in the house. Fanny me sa. Well done. So say I will stay in the house tonight because there is a pain in my foot. Fanny me sa a nacht. Mar tá pain in my chus. Well done. Can you say there's a pain in my hand? Yeah, tá pain in my lao. Well done. So let's explain ourselves a bit more. Say, I was running. Can you remember how to say yesterday? Good. Inye. So say, I was running yesterday. Vi me agree inye. And I fell. Agus hitch me. Good. So put that all together. I was running yesterday and I fell. Vi me agree inye. Agus hitch me. And there's a pain in my foot now. Agus tá pain in my chus inish. Well done, Maihu. So we're now going to add in another wee word. We've been using inye for yesterday. Arer is the word for last night. So can you say, I was in the pub last night? Vi me sa pub arer. Well done. Now I wonder, can you remember how to ask, where were you? Where were you? Yeah, Caro too. So say, where were you last night? Caro tu arer. Say, I was in the pub last night. Vi me sa pub arer. And I drank whiskey. Agus dol me ishkeba. Say, I was in the pub last night and I drank whiskey and I fell. Vi me sa pub arer. Agus dol me ishkeba. Agus hitch me. And there's a pain in my foot now. Agus tá pain in my chus inish. And a pain in my head. Agus pain in my hyun. Oops, go maleshkal. That's not what we learned. We learned tá pain in my chliggin. So that's the other word for head. So you've learned it now. You can say kyun in my hyun, in my head, or chliggin in my chliggin, for also in my head. Kyun gets used for a number of other things in Irish, so I like to use chliggin in this context. So let's say again, and there's a pain in my head. Agus tá pain in my chliggin. Now, can you remember from way back in lesson 22, we learned to say nothing at all? What was that? Rudder be. We sort of introduced as, it's anything. I'm not doing anything. I'm doing nothing at all, right? Rudder be. So bear that in mind, and we're going to ask again, what are you doing tonight? Kajeta tu yanu a nacht? And answer, nothing at all. Rudder be. I will stay in the house. Fanny me sa. Now, can you remember how to ask why? Good. Catega. Or simply cati. Well done. So ask again, what are you doing tonight? Kajeta tu yanu a nacht? Nothing at all. I will stay in the house. Rudder be. Fanny me sa. Why? Catega. Say, I was running yesterday and I fell. Vi me agree inye. agus hitch me. Now say, and then I was in the pub last night. Agus an sin, bhí me sa pub ar air, and I drank 20 pints of Guinness. Agus dul me 5 pint of Guinness. And I fell again. Can you remember how to say again? Yeah, arisht. So say, and I fell again. Agus hitch me, arisht. Now, here's another new word for you. Rorti me is I hurt. Okay? Just say it, rorti me. Good. So say, and I hurt my hand. Agus rorti me, malau. And say, and I hurt my foot. Agus rorti me, machas. So, say again, I was in the pub last night. Bhí me sa pub ar air, and I fell. Agus hitch me. And I hurt my head. Agus rorti me machligan. And my foot. Agus machas. And my hand. Agus malau. Well done. Now, let's ask this time, instead of what are you doing tonight, ask what are you doing tonight? Hear the difference? We're being emphatic. What are you doing tonight? Can you remember how to do that? Good. Gye tá tusa a dheanú a nacht? Gye tá tusa a dheanú a nacht? And the answer this time is, I don't know. Níl stogam. Say, I was running yesterday. Bhí me agree inné. Well done. Say, I was running with my wife. Bhí me agree le ma van. Say, we were running. Bhí mudge agree. Say, we were running on the beach. Bhí mudge agree ar an trá. Let's ask another question. Where were you last night? Cá ró tú ar air? Say, I was running on the beach with my wife. Bhí me agree ar an trá le ma van. But I fell. Ach hitch me. And I hurt my foot. Agus rorti me machas. And I hurt my head. Agus rorti me machligan. And I have a pain in my hand. Agus ta pain in my low. And I say, I'm not too well. Níl me ró wai. Now, let's see if we can do something to cheer him up. Let's ask, would you like a pint of Guinness? Or why that pint of Guinness? But he's not feeling it, and he says, I would not like. So it's just 2 words. Can you remember? Yeah, níor why. Very good. Let's think of something else. Ask, would you like ice cream? Do you remember? Yeah. Or why that uachtar ráte? Well done. Or why that uachtar ráte? But again, he's just not in the mood, so he's going to say, I would not like. Go on. Níor why. Níor why. That's just the answer. What would the answer be if it was positive? I would like. Yeah. But why? But he's not going for it, so it's just níor why in this case. So he's going to say what he would prefer, and to use that, we did it just last time, or actually a couple of lessons ago, but anyway, it's I would prefer. Do you remember how to say I would prefer? Yeah, barlium. Barlium. So now we're going to end up saying I prefer to watch TV, and to say that we're going to need to watch TV. And we're going to start off with TV, which is chell of fish. Just repeat that. Chell of fish. Good. So watch TV is arc, and chell of fish. Okay? Arc, and then you add on chell of fish as well. How do you say to watch TV? Comhairle, arcer and chell of fish. Mhacha. So now we're going to say, I would prefer, remember, barlium, I would prefer to watch TV. Go on. Shenay, barlium, arcer and chell of fish. Excellent, Mhacha. So, what are you doing tonight? Kajeta to Yanu a nacht. Say, I don't know. Níl agam. Ask, would you like to go to the pub? Or wailyat gulgajian pub? Say, I would not. Near why? Say, I'm sick. Ta me chin. Say, I was in the pub last night. Vi me sa pub a rare, and I've a pain in my head now. Agus ta pain in my chlicken inish. Can you remember how to say, I have a hangover? Ta potch orm. Well done. And now say, I would rather watch TV. Barlium, arcer and chell of fish. Well done. If you want to say listen to music, that's eisteacht le ceol. Say it again. Eisteacht le ceol. And now say, I would prefer to listen to music. Barlium, eisteacht le ceol. Well done. Ask, would you like a pint? Or wailyat pinta? Say, I wouldn't. I'd prefer ice cream. Thank you. Near why? Barlium uachta ráte guramayagat. Ask, would you like to go to Belfast? Or wailyat Gaelphobal farste? Say, I wouldn't. I'd rather watch TV. Near why? Barlium, arcer and chell of fish. Ask, would you like to go to Derry? Or wailyat Gaelphobal? Say, I wouldn't. I'd rather listen to music. Near why? Barlium, eisteacht le ceol. Come on. That'll do for now.